So this is my photo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can import this photo inside your VEO3 and generate video with your face. I mean the same photo we're going to use inside VEO3 and generate videos from this. So you can speak and you can talk to your customer audience, and you can use the custom your face inside the VEO3 to generate videos with sound. So first of all, we just go to our Gemini or Flow Labs, anywhere you can use. For this case, I'm going to show inside the Gemini Chat. You can also use the Flow Labs to do the same thing. Just go here, click on videos. It will enable the VO3 fast mode. And then from here, you can see this option. This is the new option. You can add a photo. So I'm just going to click here, add my photo. Now I am going to explain myself. The thing is that if you are in a country where you don't have access to VO3, you need to connect to a enabled country like US through your VPN, then you can access to VO3. And then you also, when you writing prompt, you need to keep in mind that you have to write the country name. For my case, as I am from Bangladesh and I want to speak in Bengali, so I will write a Bangladeshi boy standing on a riverside or something like this. I will mention my country name. So when I write something in the speech section, it will give the voice in that country. Now here what I did, I just explain how the scene look, and then I told that it shoot from a drone because my photo is taking from the top, and I also give some camera movement like the drone slowly zooms out, and also mention that this is a wide angle view shoot. And then the boy says in Bengali, you can just mention it. If you are making video using English language, then this is not necessary to mention the language name, but for if you want to make in your own language, you can also mention something like this. So now I have written something here that today I will be showing this Kunming Dianchi lake because my photo is taken on this lake. So I'm just going to give this example prompt to show you. So now I'm just going to click on submit, and it will take some time to generate the photo. So let's wait for a few moments. So our video is ready. Now I'm just going to play it. So here you can see I have created another video where I put my photo like this, and then I'm give the same prompt as example. As you can see, this is the uh, prompt that I have given, and if I play this video, you can see with that voice.
বলেছেন যাদের ওয়াইফাই থাকার পরেও 1 জিবি ফ্রি এমবির লোভ সামলাতে পারেনি তারাই মূলত বিয়ের পর পরকিয়া করে বলেছেন যাদের
So this is the way how you can import your own face or own photo inside VO3 and make videos. So I hope you understand how to do it inside the Gemini chat. So if you learned something new, please the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.